Let's go. This is original. Hold on to it for me. Okay. What's your name? Eric. Can you hold that? You're a young king in the making. Give it up for Eric.
Okay, young king.
Young king.
We got a lot of young kings out here.
Yes. All right, y'all. Another original groove. This is a Brazilian rhythm that we mix with a little funk. It's from an area in Brazil called Pernambuco, Recife, and Olinda. It's called Maracatu. We like to call it Marica Funk because everything we do is what? Funky.
Marius groove.
Oh, okay. Oh, we already played that. I'm sorry. This is Marius groove. This is the original that was written by a Berkeley High School graduate, Marius Diop, the son of Zach and Naomi, if you guys know them from the West African dance community.
Yellow Jackets.
All right, let's go.
Getting it, man.
Let's go. Yeah.
That's how you
All right. So we're gonna need some participation.